Hello. In order to get rid of the upper shoulders and mid-back pain, a simple exercise can be done by stretching. What I want you to do is a regular door here. Let's show you the door handles. What you can do is grab the door handles, stand in front of the door when it's open, feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to slowly lean back. And you're going to feel the pull in your shoulders and upper and mid back. Just let gravity allow you to lean back to the point that if you let go of the doorknobs, your behind will hit the floor. You're going to relax your head. Don't try to hold it up, just relax and take a deep breath in and hold it for 2 seconds. 1001, 1002, and relax. And then you just do that again. You do it twice. Taking a deep breath in, hold it for 10 seconds, or 2 seconds, 1001, 1002, and let it out. Now, if you're tall enough, you can actually grab a hold to the top of the door. And your feet will be bracing the door. Like so. And all you're going to do is allow yourself just to lean forward, letting your right leg kind of guide how intense it is. And just allow gravity to allow you to hang, kind of like swinging from it. And that pulls everything from the neck and the shoulders, to help stretch it out. And again, deep breath in, 1001, 1002, and let it out. Again, deep breath in, 1001, 1002, and relax. And then you just turn around and do the same thing with the other arm. Brace the door with your leg. And take a deep breath in. 1001, 1002, and let it out. It's as simple as that.